15-minute basa and vegetable meal. Here's a 15-minute meal that tastes amazing. Everything you need can be bought at Woolworths, Coles, or pretty much any supermarket in Australia. For the fish, you can use frozen basa fillets or basa from the deli. You'll also need a frying pan with a lid, a knife, a spatula, and some long chopsticks. This recipe serves two. First, let's prepare the vegetables. Start with 2 medium onions and slice them thinly. I like to use quite a lot because onions shrink once they're cooked. Next, thinly slice some white mushrooms. For the tomatoes, simply cut them in half or into quarters if you prefer smaller pieces. And the spinach is ready to go. Now let's start cooking. Add some olive oil to a large pan and spread the onions across the bottom. Then place 2 basa fillets on top of the onions. We defrosted ours first, but it's completely fine if they're still slightly frozen in the middle. Next, add the mushrooms, then the tomatoes, and then a generous amount of spinach on top. It might look like way too much spinach, but trust me, it shrinks a lot. And the more spinach you use, the more delicious the dish becomes. Season everything with salt and pepper. Then drizzle a little more olive oil over the top. Put the lid on and cook over medium heat for around 10 minutes. You don't need to worry too much about the exact cooking time. Once the spinach has cooked down, check the fish to make sure it's cooked through. And that's it! One of the best part is the soup at the bottom of the pan. All the juices from the vegetables and the fish come together, so give it a taste. You can enjoy it with rice or bread. That's our easy 15-minute basa and vegetable meal. Ta-da!